I apologize, guys. I apologize about that. Oh my gosh, the music was on. Sorry about that. What's up, guys? I'm just doing a live stream. This is an actual live stream update. Sorry you guys couldn't hear me. Thank you for letting me know in the chat box. Um, but basically, this is going to be an actual live stream, a real live stream. And I know it's one of the latest live streams I've done for an actual stream. But we're just going to talk about Litecoin, cryptocurrencies, the whole 9 yards. Thank you guys for tuning in. We have 17 people watching right now. A lot of people, but it's all good. It's all good. It's going to be a retest and will double bottom. I'm thinking there could be definitely a double bottom. This is a new setting for you guys. I'm in the man cave right now. What's up, guys? Music's off, guys. The music's off. But I sold off a portion at $56. I'm expecting a swing. We have to watch it closely. I'm excited, guys. I'm very excited. But right now, I think that we could retrace down to the bottom of this trend line, or I know some people are thinking it's going to be a double bottom. I did tweet about it being a double bottom previously, and we could see a double bottom. We could pull up. Here, let's pull up the forecast right here. I think this is the forecast. Yeah, this is the forecast. So I think I'm not really too keen on a double bottom, to be quite honest. I'm just not seeing it. I'm not seeing it. I mean, we're following this line pretty precisely, but even this line right here isn't supposed to be followed precisely. I'm really looking at consolidation. I think there's going to be consolidation, and then at the end of this time period, we're going to see a pump up to retesting the highs, is what I think personally. But I did sell for a swing at the current moment. I sold at 56, and I'm waiting for it to retrace down to the bottom of this line, hopefully, is what I'm looking at. That's my plan, and I'm going to get right back in to move back up further. There's a lot of bearish people out there, a lot of bears. There's also a lot of bulls, but it's really a mixture between the two. Some people think it's a bull trap, that we're going to be turning around when Bitcoin hits $4,200, and it won't be able to exceed $4,200. And it's going to turn back down and hit a further bottom. And some people think that we are just going to be consolidating a little bit, and then we are going to be hitting a new high. Some people are calling $6,000 already, and some people are calling for a $2,000 Bitcoin. I'm on the bullish side at the current moment, but yeah. So I'm really following this trend line at the current moment, guys. At the current moment, everything's okay. I've been looking at Golem. Guys. Golem's looking pretty spicy. It's looking pretty spicy, guys. I might have to get in on a trade with Golem. I know Lisk is going to be doing the rebranding soon. They're doing a tour right now. I think they're going to, I don't know what country they're going. They're doing an Asian tour right now. Lisk is. So I know that Lisk is going to be rebranding, and we knew what happened with NEO when they rebranded. So I think that there's potential with Lisk. Yeah, we can see it's going up right now. People think it's going to make a parabolic move, which it probably is going to do. Yeah, it's been falling a little bit, but people think it's going to be taking a parabolic move. I don't have any new positions with Lisk at the current moment, but I am watching it closely. Large sell book right there, but I am watching it closely. I was looking at the KRW pair and following the KRW pair pretty closely. Let me pull it up. Hold on one second, guys. I'm on like multiple monitors. I like using multiple monitors. Don't trade without having at least 3 monitors. I just can't do it. It's like impossible. It's literally impossible. Here, I'll show you. I'll pull it up for you guys. There we go. Let me know if you guys can see that. This is a late live stream, guys. What's up with the late live streams, Crypto Hedge? Everybody's sleeping. Everybody's sleeping on me. All right, so we can look. This is actually Litecoin, but let's check it out. I do see Litecoin dipping. Like I said, I think that Litecoin is going to dip down to around. I mean, my order to repick back up is around $54. Around $54 is where I'm expecting to be picking up another order. Then to move back up onto the upside. Um, let's go check out List real quick. If you guys have questions, let me know in the chat box. I mean, this is just a this is gonna be like a little bit of a chillish live stream. But I'm gonna try to interact with you guys since I have all of the monitors up. I can see everything that you guys are saying in the chat box while actually telling you guys everything in the live stream. So let me know what you want me to look at, and I'm here. Yeah, we can see this is the Litecoin KRW pair on BitThumb. Been following it really closely. It's just been amazing to watch, and we have all the indicators here. I use Crypto Watch. It's cryptowat.ch. Yeah, I'm expecting a further dip, and then I'm going to be picking it back up at around $42 or $44. Everyone's been asking if there's going to be a dip. I did a live stream last night, and it was like all music. It was like all music, because I was like basically showing you guys my new intro song, not that you guys cared. But like an hour into it, not an hour, like 45 minutes into it, I like went live and like talked to you guys about the charts, because I had like 30 people watching, and like they were a lot of my day one followers, and they were asking a lot of good questions. So I was like, I have to interact. I can't just like chat in the chat box, you know what I mean? So I told them, I said it really could dip once it hits $56 and dip down. That's what I did. I sold at $56. It was looking weak, and I am planning on getting back in at $54. That's my current plan. Now, it could change. It could dip further. I'll be watching it closely. Hey, just showing some support. Here's a tip. Keep on streaming cryptocurrency videos. Maybe take a look at Vertcoin. I'll check out Vertcoin right now. Thank you for the super chat donation. Maybe I can pull up Burst through here. Alright, let me see. I was looking at Lisk earlier, and I was looking at Golem. Stratus has been looking solid too. I don't know if Vertcoin is going to be. Yeah, Vertcoin is not going to be on here. So let me pull it up. Is Vertcoin on Bittrex? I've never heard of that coin. If you could let me know. Let me know. Litecoin surprisingly isn't doing too bad. Consider how heavy China is into that alt. It really isn't doing bad at all. Things are looking fantastic. I'm just going to be buying a dip. I have a swing set. I'm going to pick up the swing, and hopefully I can land it at the bottom that I'm expecting. Let's go check out Burst. Yeah, Vertcoin's probably on Bittrex. What's up, everybody? We have 47 people watching right now. Make sure to smash that like button. Now, I've never heard of Burst. This is my first time ever hearing of Burst. Let's go check it out. If someone could tell me, like, briefly what Burst is. If you guys know what it is, let me know. Burst does look like it's hitting a bottom, I have to say. Not that it's looking weak. Let's see. Let's go to the 6 hour. Yeah, so Burst doesn't have a lot of history. It looks like it went up really fast and it fell almost like a bubble and fell below moving average. Wow. But it looks like it's picking up, and it could be heading up to a new, it's creating a new trend. But it doesn't look that strong, to be honest. Current moment. What's up, everybody? We have 55 people watching right now. What's up, everybody? Pump and dump coin. Could be a pump and dump coin. Sounds like a crapper. Yeah, I don't know anything about this coin. Talk about Decred. How do I like Decred? I like Decred. Or Decred. What's up? What's up? Stealth coin looks nice and has 20% proof of stake interest. Yeah, so Burst coin could be heading back up. I could see that happening. I'm not getting into this trade personally. but I will look at it since you guys want me to look at it. Looks like it could be breaking out relatively soon, but I'm not getting into that trade. I'd have to look into Burst. I don't know what Vertcoin is. I think I saw it on a Reddit post. I think I saw it on a Reddit post about how it has potential as a small cap coin. Let's pull it up. Pull it up. Pull it up. What's up, Agartha? It's nice to have you. Litecoin to the moon, down 15% since emotional video. What emotional video? Oh my gosh, Switchblade is back. Switchblade is back. What's up, Switchblade? The Vertcoin Tor wallet. Vertcoin is going to be coming out with a lot of things, and I really enjoy. They just came out with a certain announcement. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. That's not what I wanted to search. Hold on, guys. Computer's freezing up on me. Vertcoin. Vertcoin is going to be coming out with something really cool. It's called Vertdocs. It's basically a simplistic way of explaining each tactic so that it would ease the future adoption. A lot of people know Vertcoin has a big future. A lot of the whales know that Vertcoin has a big future, which is why buying in low and there's not a lot of actual volatility is nice to see. Right here, Vertcoin Tor wallet in development, IP address privacy and anonymization with just a few clicks state. Wow, that is incredible. That's exactly what Verge has succeeded with. This is new news for me. Wow. Vertcoin Tor wallet in development, IP address privacy and anonymization. So Vertcoin not only has stealth addresses coming back. It doesn't not only has stealth addresses coming back. It has ASIC resistant mining for decentralization purposes. We know with Bitmain, and now they're coming out with a Tor wallet, which is anonymity with transacting, which is just incredible. So this would be useful on the dark web. Not that I use the dark web, but that's what Verge and Monero are strong-held in. So that is really big news, actually. I want to go check out Vertcoin. I haven't really looked at it. I just have my holdings. I'm a hodler of Vertcoin. I love Vertcoin. I'm just so happy that I have like a bunch at 40 cents. Like, I'm gonna be like chilling like in a few years. Let's go check out Vertcoin. What's up, everybody? There was no emotional video, Lawrence. Switchblade just likes to be negative on my live streams, which is okay. Look at that. Look at Vertcoin. Going parabolic right now. 79 cents. That's a big deal, guys. That's a big deal. I just saw that. That was 5 hours ago. I just got onto the computer. I literally haven't traded for like a while, like a full 15 hours. But I literally just got on the computer and I'm looking at. I sold some of my Litecoin for a swing. Hopefully going to land it. Look at it. It hit the bottom of this line. Looks like it's coming up a little bit. Uh-oh. Because it broke out. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, guys. Maybe should get back in. Gotta sit on my hands. I have to sit on my hands. What's up, guys? Can I check Bitcoin Cash? I'll check Bitcoin Cash. You guys know what I think about Bitcoin Cash. I'm just not a fan. I'm not a fan of the Bitcoin Cash. Oh, I didn't even make that chart. Let's see. What's up, everybody? Like this video, of course. Like this video. Good night. I'd like to thank you. I'm kind of a noob. Thank you. Did you hear about We Trust? They have Vitalik as they advise. I'm not a fan of Vitalik. I think he's like the Lord Pumper. Really not a fan of him. He's like the Pumper Lord. But wow, that is big news with Vertcoin. I'm like, that's like huge. That is game changing. I'm gonna go check out the Reddit for Vertcoin. See what they're talking about on there. This is gonna be like one of the hype coins fairly soon. It's gonna be a hype coin. You know, you got all these hype coins. You got Qtome, you got Rise, you got all these coins that are so fresh and new. They just don't have an actual history. And then you have Vertcoin, which has been around for a long time, has kept its pace, has great developers. If you guys probably saw the the interview I had with the Vertcoin lead developer James Lovejoy. I'm excited. That's like big news, and I just found out about it. So you guys are seeing my adrenaline rush. You guys are seeing it. Where did I learn all of my technical analysis skills? From my father. From my father. That's where I learned everything. Yeah. Used to be involved in the stock market, not anymore. And now I trade. I've been trading since 2015. I love it. It's like actually it's a terrible addiction because I can't get myself off the computer or stop looking at charts. Like I'm probably gonna go blind one day because of the fact that I just look at charts all day long. Yeah, it looks like it's popping back up, Litecoin, and my order was not hit, so I might have to yeah, I might have to do take a break. Oh, look at that, it's popping back up. No, no, you need to go down. Go down. Golly. What's up, everybody? What's up, the bad virus? Nice to have you here. Nice to see you. I'm just basically hanging out. I have three screens right now, so that's a huge deal. I really want to check out Reddit badly. Look at that. Look at Vertcoin. Go. Let's check out the order book. I had like a rant on Twitter earlier about how you do not trade the order book. Like, that is only one part of trading is the order book if you are a day trader. I can't even tell you how many people tell me, oh yeah, look at the order book. You know, the order book's not something I look at if I'm going to be doing a swing trade or basing my trades off of it. I look at multiple different things to solidify a trade. Yeah, I'm going to wait for Litecoin to dip down a little bit. Definitely. $3,990 on Bittrex. On GDAX, it is. Let's see how much it is on GDAX. I saw it went up to like $4,090. Look at it, it's at $4,000 now. It's heading back up, guys. Let's go check it out on the KRW Litecoin. Let's go to Bitcoin. What's up, guys? What's up, everybody? Yeah, look at it. Look at Bitcoin's heading back up. Uh-oh. Might have to panic buy. That's the thing with cryptocurrencies. It's like you go in with a plan and then the plan sometimes doesn't happen the way that you want it to. Yeah, it's heading back up. Look at that. You know, I think it's probably going to hit around here and then dip down. My buy order will be hit. Hopefully. Let's go check out, I want to check out Vertcoin. Man, oh man, look at that. I hope it falls through that line so I can pick up my buy. Got my buy set. Come on. Better pick it up. Alright, let's check out, you guys have questions? Yeah, I'm not going to FOMO. Trust me. The biggest thing, you could be the best trader. I tweeted about it. I was like, you could be the best trader. Or no, not the best trader. You could know everything about trading and still be the worst trader because you trade with your emotions. That's no bueno. We hit basically like a double top here from this. So I'm expecting it to go down. I'm expecting it to go down. What am I doing here? I want to go to the 30-minute. I love having, like, I'm going to start doing live streams with 3 monitors so I can see what you guys are saying. I recently gone deep into Monero again. Um, Lawrence is saying he FOMO'd some crap coin earlier. Man, I've FOMO'd before, of course. I think everyone's FOMO'd. Do I believe a bull trap will occur? Well, we're gonna find out really quickly if it's a bull trap. Really quickly. Very soon. This is like, I mean, time will tell very shortly whether or not we're in a bull trap. Because Bitcoin could hit $4,200 and it could reverse, dropping down to a further bottom or a double bottom. But the main thing is we need to watch it closely to see if it breaks through on this next run, which we're going to be seeing very shortly. If we break through $4,200, because it would have to be a solid breakthrough on the, I think it's the 4-hour chart. We can see it. We would have to break, moving up into the trend line, break the trend line, not the trend line. I'm losing my mind. I'm tired, guys. All right, so I want to check out Vertcoin in a minute. If you guys have questions, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Hope you guys had a great day today. 1 hour. There we go. I like that. Oh man. Bitrix. Let's go on Bitrix. Vertcoin. Oh, Vertcoin's solid. That's a big announcement, guys. Doing some fundamental analysis. So 5 minute. I'm gonna go to 4 hour. Yeah, heading back up. This is gonna be solid. Look at that volume right there. Look at that. That's incredible. What's up, guys? How many different anonymous coins are out there right now? There's quite a bit. You've got Monero, you've got Verge, you've got a bunch of new altcoins that are claiming anonymity. You've got Litecoin. Litecoin is going to be anonymous soon. Covenants and stuff like that. They're going to be they're going to have an anonymous factor, but not in comparison to like a Monero. And then you've got Vertcoin just came out of nowhere. Like that wasn't even on the roadmap that I know of. That they're going to be doing a Tor wallet. Oh yeah, that is on their thing. Hold on, I want to show you guys. Because they have if you go to the Vertcoin website, I'll show you. Because it's if you go to their not their website, but I'll show you real quick, guys. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm going to show you. Someone just texted me. Truly ASIC resistant with the algorithm, the LYR2. Loving it. Loving it. Yeah, I'm hoping, yeah, I'm expecting Litecoin to dip down. Dip down, guys. I'm in on a swing. Sitting on my hands. Here, I'll show you what I was talking about. I could literally probably just go to my YouTube and go to the video because I can't find the link. The wallet takes 3 years and 35 weeks to synchronize. All wallets take a long time to synchronize. It really depends on your internet speed and also the computer you're using. When I downloaded my Sia Coin wallet, it took an absurd amount of time. It literally took like 5 days or more for my Sia wallet to download. It was not download, to synchronize. It's terrible. My Vertcoin wallet synchronized like this, like within a few hours. I use the Vertcoin core wallet, and I also use the Electrum. Let me show you guys real quick. Sorry for taking forever, but we're hanging out. We're hanging out. This is a late night live stream, guys. We're gonna look at everything. We're hanging out. What not? Why not? I'm here. It's probably like the most laid back live stream I've ever done. Most of my live streams is just like bam, 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 content, content. We're gonna do content, guys. Don't worry. Of course. All right, here. So I'm gonna pull up the website. Yeah, I'm waiting for the Litecoin to dip. You already know. I just told you guys that. Where is it? There it is. Trello. This is it. Right here. Right here, guys. Hope y'all are having a fantastic night. It's 9:58. Right there. By the rumor. They're working on it. So this is Trello. Great thing to look at. The one-click miner is still in beta, but you can actually use it. It's open to the public for you to use. So it's basically solidified and basically released. You can actually use it and download it. If you go to their Slack, they have all the information, or Reddit to download it and use it for the one-click miner. It only works on Windows computers, guys. So I actually had to use a Windows computer in order to do it, and I still have not really fully set it up. I use a MacBook Pro computer, so I hope they're able to, allow, MacBooks to mine it, because it is specific to Windows computers. But you can see right here, the Tor Electrum wallet and hidden service nodes is actually in progress. They've completed quite a few things. They've redesigned the website. They did a September developer update, which is what they just came out with on Twitter. You guys saw me retweeted Vertcoin to the moon all the way. Let's see. So we'll pull up the Vertcoin update. They have feature voting also on the roadmap, which is really cool too. It's like Vertcoin is all about the people. It's all about the people's coin. So they're really trying to push that decentralization factor. This is funny. There are some traders that can forecast over a month and some that only forecast 3 days. Which do you choose? I was like, over a month, 3 days, crypto hedge. That's so funny. I'm crazy, guys. I'm crazy. I'm literally the biggest troll on Twitter, but troll would be like in a joking way. Gosh, where's the... So we need to look forward to this. That's going to be released, the anonymity wallet for the Tor, which basically they just announced it on Twitter that they are going to be releasing it soon. It's in development. Just Eclipse, stay tuned for details. This is a big deal. This is going to pump Vertcoin right here. I mean, you can even see this is going to pump Vertcoin. So if you guys want to, with me, retweet this Vertcoin post on Twitter, share it on Reddit. I'm sure it's on Reddit if we pull up Reddit. But this is an awesome website to go to. If you go to my YouTube video with the lead developer, James Lovejoy, all of the links are in the description, and this is one of the links that you can actually follow the progress of the development of Vertcoin. So the Tor Electrum wallet and hidden service nodes is in progress, which it was on the Up Next panel. And this is going to be coming out before the re-implementation of stealth addresses, and stealth addresses are just another anonymity factor, which is just incredible. So those things are up next. Litecoin and Vertcoin atomic swaps up next. So we can tell, Litecoin doesn't have atomic swaps yet. Vertcoin doesn't have atomic swaps yet. It has Lightning Network. So I think that Litecoin is going to come out with Lightning Network first, and then atomic swaps is going to come out. So I think Lightning Network is going to be next for Litecoin, which is going to be the next big thing you're going to see. I mean, Charlie Lee hasn't been that active on Twitter. We can go right over here. I'm like breaking my neck because I'm like in a weird position. Charlie hasn't been that active on Twitter, like at all. He just hasn't been. But he will get active again. I'm telling you right now. Call it Bcash. I like that. But yeah, he hasn't been active on Twitter. Sorry for repeating myself. I'm just trying to talk. Yeah, see, Litecoin's going down. I'm expecting to buy it on the dip. Yeah, I like that. But at the same time, we have a bit of a double top here. So we have to take that into consideration. See that? That's a double top right there. So we could be heading back down even further, possibly double bottom. So I'm watching it very closely. And if it's a double bottom, I'm already out. So if I have to change my plans, my swing plans, so be it. I'm happy. I'm sitting tight. But I have my order set. You can see it's dropping down pretty heavily. Hopefully it gets picked up, and if it'll probably bounce, and then it'll probably go down further, or it could go down further. But yeah, so back to this. Big things coming from Vertcoin. They have the Tor Electrum wallet. They're expanding Vertcoin exchange wallet support, which is incredible. That's a really big deal as well. A lot of big things coming out. I mean, Vertcoin already has a lead over Litecoin just with technology and development, and they're already coming out with new things for the roadmap. But like I said, Litecoin is going to come out with Lightning Network, and then they're going to come out with atomic swaps. And it's going to be utilized on the Lightning Network between Vertcoin, Decred, Litecoin, and Bitcoin. So big things to come for Vertcoin. You guys know I've been favoring it for a while. So yeah, guys, everything's solid. Yeah, I'm expecting, you can see Litecoin is dropping like a rock right now, pretty fast. It's gonna look like that. I'm just not feeling a double bottom right now. I'm just not feeling it. We'll find out very shortly. I'll be up all night. I mean, everything happens at night. Have you guys noticed that? Or nighttime for me, like AM. I'm in Eastern Standard Time, but like it feels like I have to like change my sleep schedule because everything happens at night. It's like if I went to bed at 10 p.m. or 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, things can change real fast and usually do. So I've been just staying up at night because look at that, we're seeing a dip. It's like the day traders are night traders, which is interesting. Yeah, you can see it dripping down pretty heavy right now. I'm fine. I already got out. We hit 56. Look at that. Yeah. Fine by me. If you guys got questions, let me know. I'll check out the chat box. What's up, Anthony? Nice to have you. Jamie Dimon is a scumbag. He's playing the game. Now, there's another thing I want to talk about, guys. There's another thing I want to talk about. 1 second, guys. Hold on 1 second, guys. We're going to talk about something that's really interesting that I came across. Hold on 1 second, guys. There we go. Hold on, guys. All right, so something like really interesting that I ran into, and it's kind of what's going on right now. I think that we have regulatory issues that we're running into, and I think that's one of the biggest uncertain things in the markets. It's not necessarily another Bitcoin fork or anything of that matter. It's more so regulatory. What's going to happen? You have China that has banned cryptocurrencies exchanges. They extended the ban or the closure of these exchanges until October. But there's just a lot of weird things going on right now. You have China that's moving to Japan so that they can still trade cryptocurrencies. You've got Korea that's buying a lot of cryptocurrencies. And if you mix it into political events, it's a really interesting topic, guys. It's like something to think about. So you got Korea buying all these cryptocurrencies, and what are the relations with the U.S. and Korea? And North Korea is buying it too. It's not just South Korea. And then you have Kim Jong-un, which was trying to hack the South Korean exchange Bithumb. Just a lot of really weird things happening right now. And I think and this isn't even relevant to what I'm going to say, but I think that, in the future, guys, and I'm talking, we don't know how soon this is going to happen, but I think that before we see big regulatory changes, I think that the big banks are going to try to talk about cryptocurrencies like they do not exist. They're not a threat. They're not something to consider. The only terrorists use cryptocurrencies. Only bad people that are laundering drug money use cryptocurrencies. And they're going to keep doing that. And they're going to keep doing it and keep doing it. And it's just going to make people distrust the banks even more. But my thing is there's so much money. So much money. Like, I can show you right now. There's trillions of dollars out there. Trillions of dollars. And if this is going to be used as a currency, not a small commodity, not really even as small as the dot-com era. I mean, the dot-com era was huge. Don't get me wrong, but if this is going to be recognized in the future as a currency, which I think absolutely will happen, um, I think that there's going to have to be a lot of trial and error, a lot of volatility. There's going to be insane things happen until we actually hit that milestone, and it's going to happen overnight. And what I mean by that is like the banks are just talking crap about cryptocurrencies. They're not recognizing it, and they're acting like it's drug money, it's terrorist money, blah blah blah. But I think that what's going to happen is the big banks are going to manipulate it to a certain extent, and what they're going to do is they're probably going to buy up a lot of it, and they're going to just dump it. I'm talking like dump it really, really fast, and it's going to cause for a huge, huge bubble burst collapse. And I mean, we could very well be in it right now. If Bitcoin can't break through $4,200, we could slam down. And this is unpredictable stuff. This is not technical analysis at the current moment. In a sense, it is, but a lot of fundamental analysis with this. So I think that regardless, cryptocurrencies are here to stay, guys. They're here to stay. But what I'm trying to get at is that the government, before they actually regulate it and put their foot in the door, because they're recognizing it, they're talking about it, but they're talking crap about it, I think that they are going to manipulate the crap out of it and make it to where nobody wants to touch cryptocurrencies. All these new people getting in are going to lose a lot of money. And then once it hits that bottom and nobody wants to touch it, they're going to buy the crap out of it. They're going to pump it up to the sky, and overnight it will be like the dot-com boom, like the dot-com era. It's literally almost like that, but on a bigger scale. I'm talking like a worldwide scale. The dot-com era was mostly prominent in the USA. You've got Facebook, all these US-based and created companies. But I think that could happen with cryptocurrencies. So it really is a matter of having strong hands, even if this thing drops to the floor. It's just having strong hands, and if you were going to sell and buy at a lower price, I guess. But the volatility is really becoming unpredictable, and almost like it's actually being acted as a currency rather than a stock. But you can still trade it like a stock. So, but that's just something to keep in mind, because there's just a lot of things out there, and Bitcoin is a threat. Cryptocurrency, blockchain is a threat to the big banks. It's a threat to the big money. So that's something to keep in mind. I've read up on it just recently about how we could really run through big trial and error, and until we actually hit that big adoption phase. So, I mean, there's that guy on YouTube that went to jail. He went to federal prison because he was exchanging cryptocurrencies, and he pled guilty. So, very interesting stuff, guys. Very interesting stuff. Some people think that big banks are going to create their own cryptocurrency. But you got to think about it. The whole point of why people admire blockchain technology is because of the decentralized factor, because there's no middleman, there's no third party. You are the bank. You are the bank in cryptocurrency. So you control your funds. Nobody controls your funds. But if the bank makes their own cryptocurrency, then you're dealing with a whole other ball game. It's almost like Ripple. You guys know I don't like Ripple because it is a bank coin, the bank's coin. It's geared towards the interest of banks, which is why it has a high market cap. I mean, $137 billion is the market cap right now. That's nothing. It's minuscule. It's small. But I think that I just really don't think that people are going to invest in the bank's coin if the banks do come out with a coin. I think that they're going to invest in Bitcoin, which is the granddaddy coin, and then you have Litecoin, which is supposed to be used as payment. And you have other countries that are investing in these coins. So I just think that the banks creating their own coin wouldn't really be an option, yet they would manipulate it to where it drops down to zero, and then they'd buy the crap out of it overnight when nobody wants to invest in it anymore. If that makes sense, guys. If that makes sense. But yeah, so I'm looking at Litecoin right now. Litecoin, definitely, I'm waiting for it to dip down. It's dipping faster than I expected at the current moment. Not necessarily, but Vertcoin's solid. Vertcoin's solid right now. That announcement is perfect. 81 cents right now. Parabolic moves. What's up, everybody? I have my DMs open on Twitter if you guys want to message me on there. I'm going to leave them open. Leave them open for you guys. But this is a big deal, guys. Make sure to like and retweet this post on Twitter. I'm going to check out Reddit in a minute, too, guys. I'm going to hang out with you guys for a little while. We've been streaming for 45 minutes. I'm free. I'm open to look at the charts. I'm open to look at anything. What's up, Echoman? It's nice to see you. I know I haven't been doing as much live streams as I usually do, but I'm dedicating my time right now to make up for that. I know that I did my forecast live stream, and then I had another live stream, which was just chaotic because of Switchblade. But yeah, I'm trying to keep positive vibes on this. But I'm here. You guys got questions? You guys want me to look at something? What I think? I'll go into detail, guys. I'll go into detail. We're in exciting times. And I mean, you can tell, Charlie Lee hasn't been that active, like I said. I haven't even really looked at his Twitter lately. And you guys know I'm like a fanatic of the Lee, the Satoshi Nakamoto maybe. But I just think that there's a lot of uncertainty, not necessarily fear or doubt. Oh, right here. This is like the perfect post. I voted on this. Recent events: China ban hard fork. Jamie Dimon quote caused a big drop in price. What is the biggest threat to cryptocurrencies today? Regulatory uncertainty is the biggest threat. Tons of uncertainty, but people are still buying, and we are seeing a bounce right now. But what I think China's a lot different than the USA. Obviously, they're a communist country. They want to have control there's like nothing else. They're a one-of-a-kind country. USA is not necessarily like that. But when it comes to big banks and money and currency, they're going to get their hands on it, and they're going to come in and step in if they need to. And I think that they're denying it, but they're going to accept it in the future. And there's going to be trial and error for us to get to that point. You know what I'm saying, guys? Mainstream adoption will be incredibly hard with market price volatility. I agree, John. I think that that's a big milestone that we have to get over is the price volatility. But the thing is, think about this. The reason why there's so much price volatility is because of the fact that there is only $137 billion in the entire market cap of cryptocurrencies. That's chicken change. That's nothing. That's like pocket change compared to the big dogs, the trillions of dollars that are out there. So I think that we're going to see price volatility, manipulation for a long period of time. And it also has to do with the equilibrium of diversification when it comes to who owns that many Bitcoin. And there's a small amount of people that own a large amount of Bitcoin. So there's no equilibrium there. There's no equality there, which is not good. And it's interesting to see how it's going to play out. There's one wallet that has like a ton of Bitcoin. It's never been liquidated before. So it's just interesting on how it's going to happen. Who owns that wallet that has just millions of Bitcoin? I don't know. We don't know. So there's just it's interesting, and I'm not being a bear. You guys know that I'm anything but a bear, but it's just something to think about. It hit me hard the other day when I was looking into it, and I think that with the diversification between wallets, like the wealth diversification, it's pretty lopsided, and it's not a very good thing. But at the same time, we just have to wait and see. I think there's a lot of money to be made until we hit a certain milestone that's going to be huge. I think that we're going to eventually hit a milestone that's going to be humongous. It's going to be like the biggest thing ever, like huge. But we're not there yet, I don't believe, at the current moment, not at all. But a lot of money to still be made, of course. But I think that once we get over that milestone, it's only up from there. But it's going to be a tough time for the markets to live with that. You know what I'm saying, guys? For the short term, I'm going to check out the chat box. Sorry. So we're not going to Lambo Land. No, I think we're going to Lambo Land. Cliff High tweeted Friday morning that the worst was over soon. I'd have to agree with him. See, the thing is, we could very much hit a double bottom, or actually further into a further bottom, which would be around. I think that the furthest Litecoin could go down if we were going to do a continuation of the bear trend, because we did double top, which is not necessary. That's not bullish at all. Which means that we're going to see some downward movement. Because it's been struggling to follow the uptrend, the new established uptrend. It's been struggling, and actually just broke it, to be quite honest, too. You guys want to see right here. So I sold off for a swing. Obviously, I still hodl. I hodl a lot. But we could be moving down past the end of this trend line right here, down to a further low. We just have to watch it closely. And there's like some people think that it's going to. I mean, we can just look at. I like to look at TradingView to see what people are thinking. Of course, there's a lot of people that have no clue what they're talking about, and they have a lot of upvotes. But there's some people that actually know what they're talking about, which I like to see other people's opinions. I talk to Dollarov a lot. This guy right here, he's really smart, very educated in the industry. But some people think we're in a bull trap. Some people think that we are going to see a continuation of the $6,000. Goldman Sachs came out and said that the bottom is going to be around $2,200. They were right about the top being around $4,800, which it hit 5,000. But once it hit that number, it slammed down. Goldman Sachs announced that, and then they're looking to pick up Bitcoin at $2,200. So, and you can see right here, yeah, look, okay, this is the bull trap people are talking about. Watch for the bull trap. So this is actually exactly 2191. This is exactly where Goldman Sachs announced that they want to pick it back up. I read an article on it, and we would be approaching right now the top. Almost the top, which I was talking about. I was doing analysis as well. When I saw this, I was like, wow, we're on the same page. It could very well hit 4,200, but if it can't sustain that, and there's low volume, and the indicators are showing that it's overbought, there's just not a lot of volume at the current moment. So it does look like a bull trap. And it could drop back down to around $2,200, which would be crazy. But then after it hits this period right here, it could slam back up. Now, some people have opposing opinions, opposition to that, and they think that it's going to. There's a post that I saw recently, which was actually pretty concrete. But let's go check it out. I don't know where it is. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. I do all my own analysis, but I love to see what other people are thinking. Like all of these posts are just like, you do not know what you're talking about. A lot of people don't know what they're talking about on here. It's like it's a good playground for people to get deceived. Where is the post? There's a post that I saw. Gosh, I can't find it. But maybe if I can. What's up, guys? Let me check out the chat box. Can I post what link? I'll post a link to this. If you guys want me to post that, I'll post that right now. Oh, gosh. That's for the Bitcoin Trello. Not Bitcoin, Vertcoin. What were we just looking at? Sorry. Yeah, I'm going to go back up real quick. Where am I going? Alright, right here. So, popular today. No. I don't even know how to manage my way around. So some people think it's going to hit $4,200 and it's going to reverse. This person thinks it's going to be a bearish continuation as well. But once the wave ends, it's going to be up from there. This guy, I don't think it's going to hit $4,090 in reverse. I think it'll hit around 4,200, and then if it is going to reverse, we'll watch it closely. I'll probably tune in when Bitcoin hits $4,200. We'll watch it closely together. Tone Bay says he's bullish. Yeah, I'm bullish too. I'm not bearish, guys. I'm not saying I'm bearish. You guys know I'm bullish. I've been talking about that. But you have to look at the options. You know, it can go two ways. You cannot. I love to just completely disregard. The fact that it could go both ways. But you have to just realize that it can go both ways. And you can't be emotional when you trade. So you just have to understand. You go in with a plan. The plan sometimes changes. So I'm someone that usually when I go in with a plan, it usually succeeds. Yeah, it's following down here. These are all previous trend lines. So I'm sitting on my hands right now at the current moment because I have a buy order to pick up down here. Actually, it's close to where I have my buy order. But nice flag formation. So I'm bullish, guys. Don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. Yeah. What's up, guys? What's up, Ty Kim? It's nice to have you. Tone Bay is always bullish, yeah. Buy now or towards the end of the month. Well, I'm already in on my holdings. I bought the dips of Litecoin. I was telling you guys, I was like super excited. I bought all the way down. Like in the lowest I bought was around here, was around $35, and I bought at 45, 37, 45, 40, 37, and 35 is when I bought the dip. I just knew it wasn't gonna break that trend line, and that's according to my analysis, I'm extremely bullish. Look at this, guys. Look at that. I didn't even look at this. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's so funny. Look at that. Look at that. What's up, guys? You guys saw my forecast. This forecast, it's not specifically going to follow this line. This is just the end game. By the 21st day, we should be retesting the highs. That's what I think, guys. I'm really happy I went in with the swing, hoping that it's really going to pick it up. Yeah, I think it's going to pick it up. Yeah. What's up, guys? But yeah, we're following this line pretty consistently, but I think that it's going to be like alligator teeth on the way up. I mean, this is the crypto hedge forecast. I mean, what can I say? What can I say? I can't say anything. That's just me doing work. Korea, guys, Korea. What's doo-doo coin? Exchanges are banking. Of course, exchanges make a lot of money, guys. A lot of money. Oh man, look at that order book. That order book's looking solid. It's looking solid. Yeah, this is. Go to the 15-minute. Yeah, it's going to go down a little bit before I think it's going to head back up. What's up, everybody? How many people do we have? Oh, we have 150 people watching right now. Make sure to smash that like button. Smash that like button. This candlestick, I think, is going to end in the red. Hopefully. I mean, the order book's looking pretty solid. Look at that. Yeah. Uh-oh. Let's go check out Vertcoin. Look at Vertcoin. Look at Vertcoin go parabolic. Yummo. Wow, look at that order book. I'm so happy, guys. I'm so happy. Look at Vertcoin. I'm so happy I'm in Vertcoin, guys. I'm so happy. That announcement, guys, game changer. Game changer. Make sure to like and retweet that Vertcoin post for me. This one right here. Retweet. Retweet. Right here. This is good stuff. Yeah, I think, yeah, my order will get picked up with Litecoin. I think it's going to dip down a little bit and it's going to head back up. I'm watching it closely, of course. If you guys got questions, tell me in the chat box. My current rebuy for Litecoin is around $54. Around $54. What's up with Vertcoin? Get Vertcoin to Coinbase. I really want Vertcoin to be on Coinbase. Exchanges are in the works of something really big, just so you guys know. The exchanges are in the works, especially Coinbase. They're going to be implementing something huge that's going to send Litecoin to the moon. not only Litecoin but Bitcoin as well. Both of those coins, and they're the only two coins on Coinbase that I expect to have that sort of huge momentum growth. I don't think Ethereum is one of them. I'm not a fan of Ethereum. Never have been, never will. That's what it is. But there's big things in the works, guys. Big things for the exchanges when it comes to Litecoin and Bitcoin. Oh man, this is awesome. Breakout. Look at that, 82 cents. It's gonna become a hype coin. Let's go check out Reddit. What makes Vertcoin noteworthy? Seems like another crap coin to me. Shrugs. It's not a crap coin, my friend. It's a fantastic coin. It's ASIC resistant, which is one of the biggest issues in cryptocurrencies. Is having monopolization of mining, which is an issue. You've got Bitmain, Jihan Wu that are not only manipulating the mining because they're literally like the mining whale. Not only are they doing that, but they're also manipulating multiple coins when it comes to mining, like Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin. They autonomously switch back and forth on which coin we're going to mine, dependent on profitability. So what Vertcoin does is it's ASIC resistant. It's an ASIC resistant coin, and it runs off an algorithm LYR2 that the developers created that Litecoin also doesn't have. So Litecoin is also susceptible to mining monopolization and centralization. So so Jihan Wu has really screwed the game up a bit. He's probably someone that I dislike the most in the cryptocurrency space out of anyone. And he has bribed and made deals with certain people whom I will not name to advocate these coins and allow them to actually become a thing. A lot of bribery that has been happened in the cryptocurrency space. But Vertcoin, on the other hand, is ASIC resistant. Also, they have the implementation and the first coin to ever have stealth addresses. It has SegWit, it has Lightning Network, and will have atomic swaps in the future. It will follow precisely with Litecoin and Bitcoin, since it is a SegWit coin. We have segregated witness on Bitcoin now, which is a huge milestone that has been crossed. So Vertcoin, absolutely, if you can land it under $1, I think it's a fantastic buy. Of course, I'm not a financial advisor, but I did pick up Vertcoin at 40 cents, and the highest I paid for Vertcoin was at 70 cents. So, with that being said, yes, I think Vertcoin will play a phenomenal role in the future. I did pick up quite a bit. I do believe I will be sitting in not just one Lamborghini, but probably 50 Lamborghinis when Vertcoin does explode. Probably 1,000 Lamborghinis. I think that Vertcoin by the end of the year could be upwards of $3. Maybe within a month it could be at $3. We have to watch it closely, but Vertcoin has a lot of room to grow. It has the same circulating supply, has the same supply limitations as Litecoin, but has a lower circulating supply, which in turn means that Vertcoin could much easier. What am I saying? It could go up to a much higher price at an easier rate rather than Litecoin, if that makes sense. So Vertcoin has the same supply cap, mining supply cap, mineable supply cap, and as Litecoin, but Vertcoin has a lower circulating supply. We can check it out right now. So let's check out Vertcoin. So it does not take a lot of money or investment to make Vertcoin a lot more expensive. Does that make sense? So we have a circulating supply of 39 million Vertcoin right here. Hold on. 39 million Vertcoin with a market cap of 32 million. Almost $1 million in 24-hour volume. That's really nice. That's beautiful. So if we do that, let's go to Litecoin. So Litecoin has 52 million circulating supply and a much larger market cap. There's a lot of volume right now, quite a bit. So let's go back to Vertcoin. So 84 million max supply. This one has 84 million max supply, 39 million in circulation. So there's a lot of them in circulation, but there's a really low market cap. It's a low cap coin. It has a history. It's been around for a while. It's been around since, I believe, 2014. Yep, right here, January 20th, 2014. Just has a lot of room to growth, and it will not be that hard for it to jump to $2, $3, even $5, and even $10. It would not be that hard, especially if they continue to market, which they're planning on doing. They came out with Vertdocs, which is extremely cool, guys. Tycam, I will look at Nexus and Token Card. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste that because I just want to finish what I'm talking about. And then, yeah, so I'll check that out in a minute. Sorry, Tycam. Thank you for the Super Chat donation. I appreciate that. I'm going to type that in. Hold on 1 second, guys. I've been looking at Nexus a little bit. Not lately, but I did look at it, I think last time that you asked me to. I haven't looked at Token Card. I've heard of it briefly. I think it's one of those coins that someone was talking about how it has potential. So I don't know much about it, though. So then who can't cards even if you buy Litecoin at 80 bucks then? Long-term investing, it doesn't matter what you pay for Litecoin in 2015. So VTC is Litecoin plus ASIC resistant. Exactly. But it's actually more than that. It has stealth addresses, which Litecoin doesn't have. But Litecoin is going to be implementing an anonymity factor, though. So Vertdocs. Let's go check out Vertdocs. When was this posted? Okay, let's development update, developer update. Vertdocs is really cool, and I really hope that Litecoin takes the lead on doing that as well. If you guys aren't on their Slack, it would be beneficial to get on the Slack. Vertdocs. We're excited to announce a new project we've been working on. Vertdocs. Vertdoc is an all-in-one documentation suite detailing everything from Vertcoin mining to troubleshooting your wallet, with tons of new faces joining the Vertcoin community every day. We want to make it as easy as possible for newcomers to get started. We expect Vertdocs to be available to the public in the coming weeks, so stay tuned. Now, what is the benefit of this? Now, if you go on Amazon and you go on the FAQ, which is frequently asked questions, you can troubleshoot and learn so much without having to call anyone or call customer service. That's what an FAQ is. Most companies have an FAQ on their website. This coin is probably the only coin that I know of that is going to be introducing something in the sense of an FAQ, frequently asked questions, how to troubleshoot your wallet. It's almost like, Google, that they have a whole platform that you can ask, literally type in a question and get it answered from someone else that posted it. So that's what Vertdocs is basically doing, and they're trying to allow it to be easier, in easier terms, adopted and understood, easier comprehension, which is amazing that they're doing that. So I even tweeted about this. I screenshotted it and tweeted about it. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. But big things in stores. Big things in stores, guys. What is Vertcoin doing right now? Look at that. It's 82 cents. Parabolic move. Heading back up. Very nice, guys. Very nice. Look at that. Look at Litecoin dropping, breaking down this line. Uh-oh. Look at Vertcoin. Vertcoin is breaking out right now. Look at that. That's Bitcoin USD. Look at that. I knew it was going to head down further. Now, by looking at this, actually looks like it could actually fall further than my swing buy that I have set. So let's do this. I might have to actually do a trade while I'm live, which I don't do. What's up, everybody? We have 137 people watching right now. Make sure to smash that like button. I'm in like focus mode right now. Whenever I'm trading, I'm so focused. Like I zone out. I don't talk to anyone. Or yeah, I do, but. So I'm calling as of right now. I'm not calling, but I'm expecting it to potentially drop to like $52 at the current moment, but we did break up, really actually broke it quite hard, the newfound uptrend, bringing us up to new highs. That's a total double top right there, which is totally bearish. Not good. Not good, guys. And I'm just being honest. I mean, I'm not gonna tell you Litecoin to the moon. You know what I'm saying? This is just straight up technical analysis, nothing else. So actually, I've been actually looking at this guy's, not this guy, Dalarov, who I follow closely. I talked to him about it. His call on Litecoin is just not solid for me, in a sense. I think that there's gonna be a pullback, but I just don't think it's gonna be that significant at the moment. Where is it? I saw this one right here, and I see where he's coming from with this, but it's not good. I think we broke through. Yeah, I think we. Oh crap! What is this one? Price reversal. This isn't it. I didn't see this one. Hold on. Hold on, guys. There's one that I saw. Is this it? No. I don't even know where it is. Right here. I think this is it. No, it's not. Where is it? Alright, right here. This is it. Now, this one, I'm not following this analysis. See, we broke out, breaking down the resistance line, heading back down to support, possibly breaking into, could hit $50. I think that it could hit $52 and then bounce, but I have an order set around $54. I'm sure my order probably just got picked up or closely, so yeah, it looks like it's breaking it. But I already have my swing set and it's getting picked up. I'm sitting on my hands and hopefully we have a bounce back up. Order book's looking solid on the KRW. What's up, everybody? Best card to mine Vertcoin. The best card to mine Vertcoin. Gosh, an Nvidia. I actually asked the developer which one would be best card, GPU card. I think it is. It's called an Nvidia. I'm actually gonna probably get one soon. I wish I already got one since the mining profitability is going up. But do I see wisdom investing in multiple coins? I'm hoping hitting pay dirt or at least one to cover any losses on what don't pan out. I think that there's a lot of benefits in diversifying your portfolio. I have my portfolio diversified, but I do have primary holdings that I focus on more than any other coin, which would be Bitcoin, Litecoin, Litecoin, and probably Vertcoin out of any coin. But I have holdings from a long time ago in Lisk. I don't have any NEO. I sold even my earliest holdings of NEO. I have Stratus. I have Verge. I have small amount of Ripple, very small amount. So I have diversification, but my altcoin portfolio, added up all together, probably equates to less than 25% of my portfolio. I'm really focused on the primary coins. I think if you're new to the crypto space and you have limited funds and you want to, and if you know how to trade and you want to make money really quickly, you could take risk with getting into smaller cap coins that could have potential. A lot of people do it, but I'm personally trying. I have to stay smart with my investments. Even if you have a little bit of money to spend on cryptocurrencies and not a substantial amount, it's still good to be smart with your money and not take as much risk, because a lot of people, especially if they don't know what they're doing, they take a risk and they lose all their money from a small cap coin, namely like not necessarily NEO. I couldn't say NEO, but NEO was definitely, a lot of people lost a lot of money on NEO, and I sold out. I announced it on Twitter. You guys aren't following my Twitter. You guys need to follow my Twitter. What's up, guys? Hold on one second. This is really odd looking. This like chat box, I'm literally gonna delete because it looks really distorted. So I'm just gonna hold on one second, guys. I'm here to stay. I'm hanging out. I'm not really. I don't have any thing I have to do right now, other than the fact that I might have to change my Litecoin trade. But I'm fine. I'm actually. Hold on. Look at that. I hope Vertcoin breaks out. Yeah, look at Litecoin. So Litecoin could hit like around $51, but if it slows down a little bit, it'd be around like 52.50, 52, $53. I just don't feel like it's gonna break this uptrend. I just had a hard time believing that. And it's not emotion. It's just it did double top, which is not good, but could be a handle formation, That's why I have my buys in at around $54. My buy probably already got picked up. I think it did get picked up. My buy order. I had it set before the live stream, so it's all good. It's all good in the hood. It's always good. It's always good when you're over crypto hedge. But hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna fix this up real quick. No rush. I hope you guys aren't rushing either. We're gonna talk. We're gonna go over a bunch of things. You guys can pick my brain. I'm here. I'm ready to have my brain picked. Oh, Ty Kim, you wanted me to check out those coins. I didn't forget. I'll check them out right after I fix this. I didn't forget about you, Ty Kim. Thank you for the super chat donation. I'm in the man cave right now. Alright, I'm going to take my face out for a second. There we go. Alright, we'll check out, you wanted me to check out Nexus? I don't have any QTOM. I don't have any NEO. That's really, that is just what I'm saying. Nexus and token card. You wanted me to check out Nexus and token card. Wow, total parabolic moves. A lot of buying pressure. Pretty solid. Ty Kim, man. Everything that you ask me about is always bullish. That's so funny. Definitely parabolic moves right now, which is just incredible. Nexus could pump, which it's already pumping. Oh no. Am I not looking at the right coin over here? This is Bitrex, right? Oh, this is the 1-day chart. It looks like it's double topping. Double top. Hope Vertcoin breaks out. Yeah, I just don't. I think that you should hold off on Nexus and wait for a confirmation, a bullish confirmation. I would wait. I would wait, but I really do think that it's bullish at the current moment. But I would wait for a confirmation for another move back up. Found support not too long ago. I should have got into this trade. I didn't even know. I like to get into like quick trades, like a swing, and then get out. Yeah, I think that Nexus looks bullish at the current moment, but I wouldn't buy the top. This would be like buying the top, like, to be honest. but it is definitely parabolic moves, and it's moving back up. But we have a double top here. This move could not break out. Could not break out, and it reversed. So I would watch it closely, wait for a bullish confirmation, because this is definitely, it looks like a double top right now. But if it moves past this resistance, I would say it's a solid buy. Definitely on the 4-hour. So I would set your buys at around like 95,000 satoshis. Wait, that would be like waiting for the bullish confirmation. Come on, Vertcoin, break out. I hope I'm pretty sure my order got picked up. Excuse me. Wait for the bullish confirmation for Nexus, Tycam, like I said. Yeah, definitely wait for the bullish confirmation. Let's go check out Vertcoin again. I'm loving Vertcoin. That's a great announcement today. If you guys saw that, you should have bought right when they said that. What's up, Aki5? Thank you for the super chat donation. I'm all about that Vert, man. All about that Vert. Nice move up. Yeah, Tycam, just, yeah, like I said, wait for the bullish confirmation. I waited out. And once you have that confirmation, it would be another parabolic move to a high, a new all-time high. So just wait it out. And you said you wanted me to check out another coin. Token card. I've never heard of token card. Vertcoin. I'm so happy. Token card. Let's see. Token cards at 11% up in the 24-hour volume. Another parabolic move. Order book solid. TKN. This is the Vertcoin party room. Wow. Wow, token card is like fresh meat. Fresh meat, but it does look like it is moving up to test the highs. Order book looks solid for token card. Extremely solid. I mean, look at that. I don't trade the order book, but that's nice. A nice indicator to look at, I guess. Starting a new trend. It's pumping. And look at how high it went and it just dropped down. Thank you, Reality Dog. Yeah, this is probably the latest live stream I've done as an actual live stream. if I do a late live stream, it's usually either very short or it's like just music and a price ticker. But this one I'm actually doing an actual live stream, and this is like a I'm gonna do this live stream for probably 2 hours, guys. So I don't know what we're at right now. We're at an hour and 24 minutes, so we have another like 45 minutes with me. So if you have questions and stuff, we can just talk and chat and whatnot. So I'm just looking at stuff. It is 11 p.m. where I am, Eastern Standard Time. Come on, Vertcoin needs to break out. It's already kind of breaking out, but it needs to break out further. I'm excited. Look at Litecoin, total handle formation. Hopefully you can keep up with that. Total handle formation. Token card does look like it's going up. Yeah. But I think that, what was the other one you were asking me to look at? Don't even remember. Oh, Nexus. Nexus looks like a lot more solid. Once you wait for that bullish confirmation, I think it would be a good bet to get in. A good bet for Nexus. That one I would do next. I would watch Nexus over Token Card all day. Just because I wouldn't even look at the charts for Token Card just because of the history. So let's watch Litecoin. I'm getting excited. Better be a cup. Look at that. Where is Yeah, I think so in 21 days. Vertcoin gonna break out like Barry Bonds during a steroid cycle. Yeah, I'll check out Bitcoin. I'm looking at Litecoin really closely, and it's actually looking pretty nice at the current moment. But we'll have to wait and see and watch it closely. I'm just waiting. My swing already got picked up. My Litecoin swing that I had set on GDAX already got picked up. Definitely it looks like it's reversing. Check out Bitcoin. I know I always talk about Litecoin, but Bitcoin usually, whatever happens to Bitcoin, it seems to happen right before Litecoin reacts. I know, Internet of People. I ran across that coin the other day. I think it pumped really heavy, but I don't have any of it. See, Bitcoin broke out. Litecoin double topped. Look at that. Bitcoin is looking solid right now. That's the high. See, like, remember I was telling you guys, we're at a really, uh, we're gonna find out really soon if we're gonna see a reversal. I was telling you guys that earlier. Very soon. So we gotta watch it closely. I was telling you guys, I believe it was, yeah, 4,200. So this would be the point right here. Right here. Yep, so it needs to break out a solid candlestick past 41.93. This is the 4-hour chart. We can go to let's go to a 30-minute. Actually, let's go to 1 hour. So this is so 41.93. We need to see a solid breakout through 41.93. That's what I'm looking at. Definitely in a new trend. We'll know by tomorrow, I think. Well, at least I hope. We have some time still. Just low volume. Yeah. What's up, guys? Probably shouldn't do a swing trade while I'm doing a live stream. Yeah, see, it's falling down further. It's weak. If this candlestick falls down further, let me see where the resistance would be. I'm looking at this right here. Oh my gosh. That's what I'm looking at. If we break that, we're going down further. This number, 53.50. I think my order already got picked up. What do you mean HTV network? I have a few people that manage the funds that I manage with me, so it's not always me. I usually do a lot of night trading, and I have other people that also do night trading, but day trading as well. Not necessarily day trading, but watching the market. Because if you're managing other people's money, you have to be watching the markets 24/7. Simply because cryptocurrencies is a 24-hour market, unlike the New York Stock Exchange. So I don't have holidays off. But yeah. Yeah, if it goes down to $30, I'll sell one of my toes, a finger, and an eyeball to buy Litecoin. I'm using 3 monitors right now. Well, really 4, but I don't have the 4th one on. The 4th one's like a huge mounted TV. Every day is a holiday. For crypto, it's every day is a holiday. I agree. It looks like Vertcoin is definitely breaking out. Oh man, this is getting exciting. Come on, Vertcoin, go, go, go. Hope you guys have some Vertcoin. I mean, I've been talking about it for a while. I'm pretty sure a lot of my followers have Vertcoin at the moment. What's up, everybody? Volume is low. Rising wedge, I can see what you're talking about. Jimmy, I make videos that are strictly forecasts. I'm just basically looking at charts with you guys right now. But sometimes when I go live, I don't publish my videos. But most of the time I do. Most of the time, if it's an actual live stream, like right now, I'll post this video for people to look at. I'm just looking, I've really been following the KRW. It looks like it's falling further. The indicators show that it's falling further. Yeah. Even looking at the MACD, it's definitely weak. It's definitely weak, guys. Let's look at the full hour. Yeah. It's looking weak. We'll know really soon. We'll know really soon, like within a few minutes. Vertcoin looks like it's getting weak now too. But I'm okay with that. I think that Vertcoin's going to continue the uptrend though. I don't think it's going to break it. Ay, ay, ay. Man. If it breaks $53.50, we're going to be going down. Hopefully not past this this trend line. I was looking at Edge just the other day. I actually got into a quick trade with Edgeless. Edgeless is the first of its kind. It has a casino license, which no other coin has. I think Edgeless could actually be the next hype coin, possibly. But I did a quick swing and I sold it. Yeah, look at that dump, guys. Look at that dump. That's crazy. That's crazy. I literally bought in around here and I sold like around here. Just a quick swing. It was like a nighttime swing. Look at that buy book, that order book though. Good time to get in. That's a crazy, I mean, I wouldn't even, see, looking at this dump, I think that obviously that was one person that dumped it off. That's a very fast dump. So I wouldn't even consider that dump at the moment. I mean, you would be buying a dip if you bought right now. You'd be buying low, in my opinion. But I would wait for a bullish confirmation. Yeah, you would be buying a dip. What's up, JP Evergreen? Nice to have you. Edgeless fell over the edge. Yeah, it did. They have a delay getting the casino license. I don't really know much about the Edgeless coin. I just know that they're supposedly getting a casino license, and it's the first of its kind. Smack that like button. But yeah. So I mean, this would be a low. This would be a bottom. But I don't know any of the news. I don't know any of the fundamentals except for the fact that they're supposedly going to get a license or have a license for casino matters for online gambling. So I don't know. But looking at the charts, this would be a dip, but I would definitely wait for a bullish confirmation before even coming near this coin. It looks like something caused someone to sell that off, unless it was just a whale that was happy with its profits. Yeah. But it does look like it's consolidating a little bit. Litecoin breaks this line, then it's going to be a game changer. What is this, Bitcoin? I hope Bitcoin, oh man, Bitcoin's falling. It's about to hit the trend line. Uh-oh. Look at that. Look at all the buy orders. That's 4, 5, 6, 79. Like 10,000 Litecoin if you bought. What's up, guys? Thank you, JP. These monitors are blinding me. They're so bright. Make it easier. Oh, he's gone. Look at this. Look at this solid, we did the Bitcoin Litecoin pair. Look at that sell wall. Look at that straight up line. Everything's well in Florida? Yes, indeed. I had lost power while I was gone, and I like probably $1,000 worth of food was lost. Unfortunately, wasn't fun. All of my refrigerator food was gone like the wind. I don't trade the Litecoin Bitcoin pair. I've probably only traded it a very few times because it's just I like trading the USD Litecoin or USD Bitcoin pair all day long. Bitcoin sale, yeah, I called him out on my Twitter. Yeah, he is a fraud. You can just search his name on Google. I called him out on Twitter. I like warned people of him that he's a scammer. So I was like trying to help everyone out. He like blocked me on Twitter because I called him a scam, but he is a scammer. I mean, look at his YouTube videos too. Like you can't like, dislike, you can't comment. So I agree with you. I already know that he's a scammer. You could just search his name on Twitter, not Twitter, Google. He's has a lot of reports of being a scammer. lots. And I was like, okay, good. People know that he's a scammer because I was like announcing it on Twitter. I don't have a lot of thoughts on BitConnect. 2 BTC a month membership. Oh, that's funny. He's not doing anything good. I promise you that. I don't even know his name. I just know his YouTube channel is Bitcoin Seoul, and his Twitter's like APAC or something. I'm not even sure. It's like APA. No, I'm not even gonna be able to find it. I'm not gonna be able to find it. It's like APAC or something. I don't know. Maybe someone in the chat box can tell you what his Twitter is, but he blocked me for calling him out because he was like doing analysis on YouTube or something and had absolutely no clue what he was talking about. Like, no clue. Clueless. Like, look at my face. Clueless. This guy was like, I clicked on one of his videos because I was looking up, cause you know how I do my posts. It's like I do the money sign LTC. I sometimes like to search them and see what's on there, like what's the latest posts. And I saw his video on Twitter, and I was like, wait a second, what is this guy doing? That's like, I was like, what? Like, gosh, I like got pissed off. I was like, dude, you need to like not like. And then he like every video he'd post after would be like a different analysis from the previous analysis, totally contradicting himself, totally contradicting. I was like, dude, what are you doing? And then he's like offering this membership. I'm like, what entitles you to that? Like, you're out of your mind. But I mean, there's just a lot of people out there that are like that. They're scammers. Luckily, you couldn't fool me. Trust me. With some of the stuff I see out there, I mean, there's YouTubers out there that I'm like, wait, what? What are you doing? Okay. I mean, obviously I'm not perfect. I'm not a perfect trader. Nobody is. You're basically trading probability. And it's even better if you do fundamental analysis and technical analysis. But there's people out there that is just, whoa. Someone needs to shut you down. But eventually it gets around. People find out that someone's a scam, and it gets around, and then they end up being, the scammer ends his existence or success. So, but yeah, that's how I found out. I saw his YouTube, and I was like, not his YouTube, a video on Twitter. I was like, what is this guy doing? And then it was like a completely, totally bad and incorrect analysis. And then he posted another video that was completely different, and then it was wrong again. And I was like, but it was gonna be wrong because it was not even technical analysis. It was like lines is what it was. But yeah, lessons learned. I mean, it's unfortunate a lot of people run into that stuff. Major fraud, yeah, total fraud. Crazy. But I'm just excited about Vertcoin. I mean, I'm really excited. I could not stress that enough to you guys. Their announcement on Twitter that I just retweeted is huge. That's a big deal. Buy the rumor, sell the news. That's a good way to look at it. If you want to do fundamental analysis, this is a big deal. This is like almost competition with Verge. Verge has a lot of Tor applications. So make sure to retweet that. Let the world know. You can actually probably search him on Google. Let's see. Hold on, what is this YouTube name? A lot of people are still talking about that. That's funny. Hold on. You can have 10 monitors in your YouTube videos and literally not know what you're doing. Like, don't get deceived by, you're looking the part, but you're not acting the part. I'm not a materialistic person. I'm honestly, if anything, I'm a minimalist. I'm just I like mind over matter all day long. Any YouTubers that we should avoid or any others that I recommend? To be honest, I don't really watch anyone's YouTube videos on YouTube when it comes to trading or cryptocurrencies, but I like box mining a lot. I think that he's really fantastic. I like his energy. Nice guy, very smart, educated, knows what he's doing. Um, I know that he knows some people uh, that I've spoken with. I like box mining, but that's probably the only YouTuber that I really talk about. I don't really know. I don't follow a lot of YouTubers. I'm a YouTuber myself, and I don't really need to follow people on YouTube for technical analysis because that's what I try to come on and do and help people out. So, but box mining, I like box mining. Yeah, I mean, I couldn't hate on any YouTubers because I just don't know of many. At the Bitcoin Seoul guy, I ran into him on Twitter. I didn't even run into him on YouTube. But then I found out about like his YouTube because it came up in my recommendation. I was like, is this that's the guy? That's the guy that's like that was on Twitter like scamming people. So yeah, I couldn't give you recommendations for YouTube channels. Yeah, Box Mining is a nice guy. Very nice. I liked Richard Hart's interview with Roger Ver. That was a fantastic interview. Fantastic interview. I probably watched that interview 3 times. It was really good. And I liked people were talking crap about Richard Hart, his attitude, um, but I mean, everyone has a different personality, and you just have it's called adjusting. You have to understand where they come from, and everyone has a different attitude. So people just hate on people because they're not their personality isn't their type. But if they have good content and they're smart and they know what they're talking about, who cares what their personality is like? Seriously, but that's just the truth. Yeah, Richard Hart knows what he's talking about. I don't follow his YouTube. I haven't seen any of his newer YouTubes. I just saw the Roger Ver and Richard Hart interview, which was fantastic. So he's confident. He does know his stuff. So those, if you guys type in YouTube channels in the chat box, I can tell you if I know of them or heard of them. But let's look at Litecoin. Vertcoin looks like it's breaking out at the moment. Litecoin's heading down a little bit. I mean, see, the thing is with life, it's like there's going to be people that love me and there's going to be people that hate me. There's going to be people that are going to be jealous and there's going to be people that, you know, aren't jealous. Not everyone's going to love you, okay? There's going to be people that hate you. There's going to be people that love you. So that's just life. I could care less what people think of me unless I, care about them. Yeah, Roger Ver is someone that I don't like. I don't really like him that much. Roger Ver. I feel that he is corrupt. Jihan Wu is a culprit. But yeah, guys. Yeah. So I think that I think that Litecoin is going to could potentially pretty much drop to the bottom of this trend right here um, through time, and then pick back up, and then we'll have I think it's going to be a breakout around here. Could be obviously before that, but I think my order got picked up because I did a swing. I sold it at 56, and I did a swing, safe swing. Yeah, Roger Ver is the biggest Bcash pumper. I agree with you. And also, if you look at RBTC on Reddit, all they talk about on there is Bcash, and to me it looks like total bots, upvoting, bots commenting, that's what it looks like to me. And it's manipulated too, because like I posted on there and it just immediately gets downvoted. So I think that there's moderators and it's also bots running that subreddit, guys. Um, yeah, so I think I'm almost positive my Litecoin order got picked up. I'm not necessarily sure at the moment. B trash, that would be a good way to put it. Stratus has been picking up. Lisk has been picking up. Surprising that Stratus is picking up. Look at that pump though. Fell down pretty hard, but I think that Stratus is looking pretty solid at the moment. Nice order book, which I don't trade off of. Let's go over here. According to the MACD, we can see another reversal for Bitcoin and Litecoin. Let's go down to Stratus. 16 point, yeah, higher volume. BitConnect, I don't know a lot about BitConnect. This is Stratus, Bitcoin Stratus. I think it's going to head back up. I don't have a trade for Stratus though, but I think it's going to head back up. But we have to watch, I mean, you got to watch Bitcoin and Litecoin. Not Bitcoin, Litecoin, but Bitcoin. Two-hour chart says nope. I don't have any orders in for Stratus at the moment. I would have to wait for bullish confirmation for me to get into that at the moment. But Lisk I think has been looking solid. I like briefly look at it, I think. What do I need to see in order to believe we are in a bear market? We'll go over that in just a second. I think that Lisk is probably going to make a parabolic move really soon. It's already in a nice uptrend right now. Like I said, I don't have any orders or trades right now with Lisk, but I have Lisk that I've held for a very long time. But I did swing it last time when I made that video, Lisk to the Moon. It went up to like $8 or $9, and then it dropped off. And I called that when it was $2.50. It's crazy. But yeah, I think that Lisk, they're doing a tour right now in Asia, and they're spreading the word, and there's hype building up about it. They're rebranding soon, and then SDK is coming soon. I think that Lisk is looking pretty solid. Who's the Bitcoin Jesus? Vertcoin before the halvening. I think the halvening is going to increase the price. More demand. Less reward. Vertcoin just broke out. Go check out Vertcoin. Vertcoin just broke out, guys. Look at Vertcoin go. Yes. Yes. I knew it was. I knew it was. I was like, it better break out. It better break out. And now it broke out. Look at that. I hope that candlestick ends above there, which I think it will. This is the 4-hour chart. Let's go over to the 30-minute. That's awesome to see, guys. Awesome stuff. 30-minute, man. This is great. Look at that. Parabolic move to the upside. Fantastic, guys. Fantastic. Nice breakout. Great day to be alive. Gotta be thankful. Nice breakout, man. Oh, yeah. About to be 85 cents, hopefully. I hope the breakout sustains, though, and the candlestick doesn't end below. This is a 30-minute chart, though. No, the breakout's going to sustain. Yeah, it's going to sustain, guys. It broke out the resistance. And we'll see a new high. Not a new all-time high, but a new high. Parabolic move. This is incredible. Make sure to like and retweet this post, guys. I know that you guys are very active on my Twitter. I'm very active on Twitter. But retweet and like that post from you guys. This one. I've already gotten quite a bit of retweets and likes from this YouTube video. I've been saying it a few times. Vertcoin Tor wallet in development. Big deal. This is competition to the anonymity coins. You know what I mean? So list rebrand on the 21st. Yes, I believe so. It's still 84 cents. I'm looking at the Bitcoin pair. Hoping to see a reversal with Litecoin. That was a solid breakout. I want to see it go up to like $1 tonight. I want to see that happen. It better. Look at that. See? It's breaking out. This is nice. This is good stuff. I want to see it at like at least 90 cents by tomorrow. Yo, if Vertcoin goes to $3 by the end of this month, I will do a giveaway. I will do a giveaway. If Vertcoin hits $3 by the end of this month. And I think that could happen, but I will do a giveaway. So make sure you're buying your Vert. No, I'm just playing. Let's hit 100 likes. Yeah, let's hit 100 likes. We have 119 people watching right now. Vertcoin just broke out, which is solid. Solid. That's amazing. Should have bought more. I wasn't even watching it, but once I saw that Twitter post, I was like, this is about to pump. This is a rumor, guys. That is a rumor. Fundamental analysis. Litecoin, if it breaks through, I believe it's if it breaks through $53.53, we need to watch it closely. But I think that it won't break this trend line. I just don't see that happening. I think that it's going to hold up, consolidate, and then fall down a little bit, and then it will probably be seeing another anticipated breakout. So I'm watching it closely. It did break this uptrend line, which is bearish, and also we have a double top, and also this is not looking like a handle formation. It looks like it's falling deeper. So we really need to watch it closely. We'll know by tomorrow. I'm probably pulling an all-nighter tonight because I decided to sleep longer than I anticipated, and my alarm clock didn't wake me up because I pulled an all-nighter last night. So I have to make up for it tomorrow. So I will be tired. But it's okay. I pull all-nighters frequently. Look at Bitcoin. Vertcoin's slamming it right now. It's about to hit 85 cents. Look at that. Look at that. I want to see a continuation of this trend. What's up, guys? All I have to do is buy one Vertcoin and it will reverse. A lot of people say that. It's so funny. It's funny stuff. Yeah, you guys should check this out too. Like, bookmark this website. I'm gonna post it. What was that? I think I got a text. This is a good thing to watch. It gives you the in progress. So I was telling you guys, Litecoin will have Lightning Network before atomic swaps. So that's kind of fun for me to be calling that. So look forward to Lightning Network on Litecoin, the actual release, which will be with the Zap wallet. Watch out for that because that's going to be next. And then we'll have atomic swaps shortly thereafter. You heard it from me first. Okay, guys? You heard it from me. I'm telling you because I know. But, man, look at Vertcoin. Watching Litecoin closely. If you guys have any questions or whatever, let me know. Hit up the chat box. I'm going to be tuning out shortly. shortly. Maybe stick around for a little longer. Maybe stick around for a little longer. Yeah, I really think that Litecoin is going to it's going to be consolidating, and it's gonna dip down, and then it's going to jump back up. That's what I think with Litecoin at the current moment. But obviously, we have to weigh our options, the risk to reward. Um, it's more riskier right now. It's looking more bearish than bullish, but I think that it will reverse and continue up at the current moment. So if you were going to do the risk is higher than the reward. Yes. Low volume. The MACD does confirm reversal downward. So it's obviously not bullish when that happens. But I'm still watching it closely, and I would have my stop order set if we did consistently and break this trend line. We already broke this trend line heading back up, which is not good. So that's really all I have to say. What do you mean? What's going on with Bitcoin? Like, what do you mean by that? Let me know. 85 cents. Vertcoin is 85 cents. This is awesome. 676,000 volume. Once that volume hits 1 million, ooh, it's gonna be crazy. I think I showed you guys this too. This is something I talk to this person a lot. Litecoin trading opportunity. I think it's not sticking up. I didn't follow this trading plan because you can see right there, it was following it, the trend line that we were looking right here. No, that's not it. Where is it? Right here. So this is the same trend line. Okay. So you see this trend line, uptrend line. This is the same uptrend line, but it has broken it. So that's not good. So we could potentially, if we look at it closely and it does reverse, it's really bearish right now, technically. So we could be reversing down to another low. It could be the support at $50. We could see a double bottom. But I think that I just don't see it. I don't see it double bottoming right now. I just don't think that at the moment. But it is a reversal, for sure. So this trend line was broken. We're heading back down, hopefully to around, see like right here, it could be like, depends on how fast we go down. But I'm thinking it's going to be looking like this. We can actually break this out now. Well, that would be that. But then $52. Buy the dips. Am I going to go back on later tonight? No. Not. The recent news with Vertcoin is they are working on the Tor wallet. Look at it, it's 85 cents. It's slamming right now. Beautiful. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this live stream. If you guys have questions or anything, throw it in the chat box before I head out. Let me know. We can look at a few more things if you'd like. I'm not in a rush. I'm sitting here hanging out. My friends are texting me. They're like, it's about to be altcoin season again. $21,399. This is good stuff. I love when my Vertcoin is going up. Look at that buy order, that buy book. Yeah, Vertcoin's on here. Yeah, so it looks like Litecoin is going down. It's confirmed going down. Not even look like it. It is going down. 100%. Not 100% amount, but it's going down solid. You can set your buys at $52. But I would wait for a bullish confirmation before setting that. We have broken the trend line, but I think that this would be a solid buy in my opinion. We're looking at right there. So smack that like button. Early October, I think in October the market will be fully recovered and heading towards new highs. If you guys can see my my forecast. Where is it? I'll just open up a new tab. So you could set your buys around like from like 50. Gosh, what am I doing? My computer's slowing down on me. So like 52.75 to like $52. But watch it closely. Have your stop set. What was I gonna say? I just said set your buys here or and have your stop set in case we have a further trend, bear trend. What was I saying? Oh yeah, so let's load this in. This is my forecast on YouTube that I posted. Look at it. Isn't that cool? Now this, like I've said multiple times, this trend line right here is not precise. I'm looking for consolidation. And then on the 21st day, I'm expecting a move back, not the 21st day, like right around here, on probably the 19th day or 18th day, I'm expecting a move back up to the all-time high. And then I'm expecting a pullback, a healthy pullback, and then we'd be testing a new all-time high. That's my forecast. Sticking with it, not changing it. This has not been edited since the 14th. It is now the 18th. So yeah, guys. You guys know me and my forecasts. I'm a crazy son of a 39-day forecast. Vertcoin's still heading up. Let's go look at Decred. I have Decred. I have holdings in Decred. Or Decred. I really haven't looked at it either. It's at $29.89. Looks like it found support. But I would wait for a bullish confirmation. It's too early to say. But I have holdings that I bought at, I believe it was $26. Around $26 is when I purchased. I actually bought right in because Charlie Lee was telling us that Charlie Lee favors Decred, and also I think Decred is going to have a position in the future. So I'm going to do a video on Decred, why I like it. I need to do more research on it, but I do have some holdings of Decred. Where I think Vertcoin will go in a week's period, I think that within a month it could go above $1. Oh man. I think that Decred's on a dip right now, but I'd wait for a bullish confirmation. I didn't even look at Vertcoin, 19%, 24 hour. Slamming it. 86 cents, guys. 86 cents. That's crazy, guys. Parabolic, guys. It's not done yet. It's not done yet. This is incredible. I'm so happy I bought it at the lows. Excited. I don't have any NEO, and I won't have it until the dust settles. Dust has not settled yet. Look at that. Vertcoin is not done yet. It's about to hit 87 cents soon. Look at this. 87 cents soon, guys. I'm really happy that I have Vertcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin is showing confirmation. Oh no, this is Stratus. Stratus could be. I think Stratus is gonna head back down. Looking at the indicators, I think it's gonna head back down. Yeah. But I think that Stratus is going to have an upper hand in this next bull run. We are all glad that we have Vertcoin. A lot of you guys have Vertcoin because of me. And I'm happy that you guys have it. I'm happy. I'm so happy. I was the first person, probably one of the first YouTubers that's like established to really favor Vertcoin, talk about the actual fundamentals and explain it, and also do an interview with the lead developers. So I'm like really happy that I was able to come out here as not one of the first person, but I'm happy I am one of the first people because a lot of my followers got in, and they're already seeing gains and they understand the fundamentals because I was able to explain it. And if I need to explain it more and talk about it more, which I will be doing, I will. So I'm happy you guys have Vert with me. You guys know that I'm bullish on it and I favor it. It is a long-term hold for me. This is definitely the tipping point. Not the tipping point. All right, guys. Golem. We can talk about Golem really quickly. I talked about it actually. Look at Vertcoin. Holy crap. I talked about Golem on Twitter. I said that it was looking spicy. What I meant by that is I think that it could see like almost a 200% increase. Look at it. It's already going up. That's pretty cool. I think that Golem has hit the bottom, and I think that this would be buying the dip. This would be buying the low. I do have some Golem. I don't even think I've told you guys that. So I do have Golem that I bought at the bottom in this area, and I'm already profitable, but I think that this is going to be parabolic moves back up. And yeah, and I know Golem's on the Ethereum network. This is just a completely technical trade, not fundamental. So I will get into this trade, and when I feel comfortable with getting out, I will get out. But this is not a long-term hold for me. But yes, Golem is at a dip, and I think that it has found support, and it didn't really fall at much at all when Bitcoin dipped off really fast. Golem just basically held its ground at support. So I think that Golem is a good trade. Personally, yes. Yes. Yes, so I do have Golem. We're happy that you didn't get wiped out by Irma and you still have electrical power. Yeah, I'm happy too. That's funny. My long-term holds are Litecoin, Bitcoin, Vertcoin as my primaries. Now I have long-term holds that are not my primaries, but they are a very small percentage of my portfolio, and those include these are, like I said, small percentage of my portfolio. I'm not going to look at the charts because I'm finishing up this live stream, but I do hold Stratus, I hold Lisk, I hold Golem is not a long-term trade for me. What else do I have? Gosh, I do have some Steam that I bought at a low price. I do have some Ripple, XRP, and a lot of these are long-term hodls because number one, they're a very small percentage of my portfolio, and risk reward isn't really a part of that, so I'm not really worried. And I bought them at the bottom, so I'm profitable on all of my altcoin holdings. I do not have NEO as a long-term holding right now. I'm waiting for the dust to settle, and it could end up being another long-term holding. I sold out well above where it is now. I sold my swing at 55, and then I sold at around $35 completely, waiting for another move back up. People think that it has hit the bottom, but I'm waiting for the dust to settle, putting in fundamental analysis and technical analysis. I do have XEM. I have XEM as a long-term hold, yes. And I also have Ethereum Classic as a long-term hold. And also Decred. Yes, Decred is also part of my portfolio. So those coins that you just heard are the smallest one, the ones that are the smallest percentage of my portfolio, and Siacoin too, and Syscoins. Gosh, I'm like missing. So Syscoin, Siacoin, Ripple, Ethereum Classic, Steam, what else? Stratus, and Lisk. Those are the smallest percentage of my portfolio. Now, the next step up, which is a bigger percentage of my portfolio, would be Decred, and I have quite a bit of Golem right now, but those aren't long-term holds. Golem is not a long-term hold. That is a total swing. And then my primary holdings are, for the longest term, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Vertcoin. And that is it. That is everything that I have. Like I said, those altcoins that I said are the smallest percentage, they are the smallest percentage of my portfolio. Moving up, I have Decred, which is the second block of a higher percentage of my holdings. And then I have Vertcoin, Litecoin, and Bitcoin as my primary portfolio. I have a very low amount of Siacoin, very small amount. Siacoin, what else? I'll tell you the smallest holdings that I have of the coins that I just announced. Siacoin, Ripple are two of the smallest holdings that I have. What would come next? As the smallest. Hold on. Let me think. Siacoin. Sorry, I'm like trying to think. Steam is a very small percentage of my holdings. Very small. So Ripple, Siacoin, Steam, extremely small. Then the next step, Stratus is also pretty small. It's smaller than my holdings in Syscoin and Lisk and Ethereum Classic. So Siacoin, Ripple, and what was the other one? I'm losing my mind. You guys heard me. Those are my percentages. I mean, I should probably do a video specifically on the percentages of my portfolio, but that's moving up the ladder. My biggest holdings end all Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Vertcoin, and then it's Decred, and then below that it's Syscoin, Lisk, and what else? I don't even know. I told you guys. You guys get the point. If you guys want, I would focus on my primary holdings because that's really all I talk about. Of course, I do have small cap coins, but I don't have any of these new ICOs. I do sometimes do swing trades with the ICOs like Edgeless. I did a swing trade with Edgeless. I don't know much about it. I think that it could potentially be the next hype coin. I already sold my swing with Edgeless at the top, or close to the top. So, I do sometimes swing them if I use risk reward ratio, and if I can make a quick profit, I will. But they're not even holdings of mine. They're just quick money. So that's everything. Glad you guys got to hear that, because I have never talked about my entire portfolio before. I'm probably missing a few coins. I bet. I'm probably missing a few. I am probably missing a few, but they're probably such small percentages of my portfolio. Oh, Verge. Yes, I have Verge. Verge is also one of the smallest percentages of my portfolio. Forgot that coin. I talked about Verge in my very first video on YouTube. Very first video. Vertcoin's at 86 cents. Oh, and Monero. Don't forget Monero. Holy crap. I'm like losing my mind. But that's it. That's everything. That is like my entire portfolio. I don't have any other coins than that. XVG, Verge. Decentralized coins will be a craze soon with waves. I know a lot of people have talked about waves before. I don't have any waves. I actually did buy waves once, just one time, and I didn't hold it for very long, probably 2 weeks, and then I sold it because I found better opportunity, and it was really just a swing. So I don't have any waves at the moment. But yep, that's everything, guys. I'm gonna be tuning out. You guys can catch me on Twitter. Make sure to smash that like button for this video. And subscribe to my channel if you're new. Follow my Twitter, it's @CryptoHedge_, guys. And also, retweet and like this tweet, guys, from Vertcoin. They're going to be implementing a Tor wallet, and it's in development. So that's big stuff, guys. Vertcoin, we already know, is going up. So that's everything, guys. Take care, and I will be back for another live stream. I know this was a late live stream, but people that are sleeping right now and missed out will see this video tomorrow. So take care, guys, and I'll talk to you guys soon.